Hey there, I'm Eric Tennant. Last but not least, the Onforu strip light. Oh wow, nice. Full disclosure, Onforu did send these LED strip lights to me for review. Okay, let's go ahead and open her up and take the stuff out. And we have the two reels of LED lights. This is cool. These are both 29.5 feet. They are able to connect together, and they are waterproof. And if you guys hold on to a little bit later in the video, I'll do that waterproof test where hopefully they'll pass. I'm gonna dip them into a glass of water with them on. So hopefully I baited you guys. Some call me the master bait. It also comes with a 24 volt 1 amp adapter, which, since I'm going to end up splitting these into two different sets, I went ahead and bought me another adapter. It's also a 24 volt 1 amp. Get one probably for about 6 quid. Yeah, whatever that is, I don't know. It also comes with these mounting points to be able to hold it down. Some screws that go with that. Also comes with some 3M sticky things. The back of the LED strip is also sticky, but these are a little bit more sticky than what comes on it. And then, of course, you have the instruction manual. Pretty much just take that. It's just lights, you're fine. It's pretty easy. Just watch this video, you'll be all right. Additionally to that, because I want it to be all controlled by Home Assistant in my smart house, I went out and just picked up another Zigbee plug. They're pretty common. You can find them down in the description below with everything else. So every time you see one of those areas like that, which I believe it's like every foot on the LED strip, it can be cut there and the wires can be soldered on. Of course, after you scrape back the silicone. Okay, and to test them out now. Told you guys I'd get to that. Plug them in here. Nice. Yeah, that lit up right away. Let's try that again. Boop. Nice. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, and as I promised, the waterproof test. Here we go. They claim they're waterproof. I sure hope there's no sparks or anything. I've had enough of that on my videos lately. In they go. Sweet. Nice. They have definitely passed the waterproof test. Of course, they're not waterproof at the adapter, or I wouldn't put the connections into water or anything, but the actual strips themselves are definitely waterproof. It is lighting up inside that glass of water. Looks pretty cool, actually. Nice. All right, now let me go get those installed. Okay, now I'm going to take the main reel and I'll wrap her around the palm tree like a candy cane here, all the way up to the top. I'm going to use the whole one for this one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and surgically remove the heat shrink here. So there we go, we got the positive and negative. Basically, I need to just unsolder those and solder the new leads onto that. And luckily, each time you cut and you're adding any kind of connection like that, it does say positive and negative on the wire. So that is convenient. And before you go ahead and solder anything, you want to go ahead and put the heat shrink over, just slide it down a bit. And now we're going to connect our positive and negative wires up to her. Okay, and before I put the heat shrink on or anything, I want to go ahead and test my connection, make sure it's working. Nice, and she's lighting up. That means I did it right. Okay, I want to go ahead and put a little bit of silicone right on the end here before I put my heat shrink back, and that's just to protect in case any water seeps in there so it doesn't short out. It is low voltage, but still it could cause a fire. Let's go ahead and slide the heat shrink back and over. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and hit the heat gun onto that and shrink that up, making sure I don't have to point it at anything valuable. All right, and there we go. We got our watertight connection, bullet connector. Okay, now I'm going to take the second one I modified, use that extra power adapter I got, and I'm going to wrap this one around the little palm tree here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the front door lights and all the garage door lights there and turn them green. Okay, now I'm gonna turn on the front door floodlights and the driveway floodlights. And those ones I'm gonna turn red. Last but not least, the Onforu strip lights. Oh wow, nice. Yeah, that's definitely lit up. Wow, it's like a better in the street light here actually. That's pretty cool. Part of my house is definitely lit up. It's almost like daylight out there. If you guys are interested in any of these lights, you can find them down in the description below. The floodlights and the strip lights were all by Onforu. There's also a promotion code down in the description that should save you a little bit of money there. So, until next time, happy holidays. And season greetings and all that.